Alright guys, welcome to part 2. Steven, move. Welcome to part 2 of our fishing video. We literally just stopped the other video.
Literally, like 5 seconds ago.
Because it was nearing the time limit, so this is part 2. We have 1 fish caught today, so...
And it's been about 15 minutes.
Okay, so let's keep going. My rod is still out there.
We're gonna have three pulls in the water, so 3 chances to get we're going for 5 fish today. Me and Henry caught 18 fish. Once we caught 21 fish. 18 fish like I think 2 days ago. I think Henry might have a nibble. And Henry's line I think just broke.
No, it didn't break. I mean,
His line is still out there. I need to cast my rod. Here we go. Guys, we should do a fishing battle. A fishing battle.
you don't know who's gonna win. First person to catch a fish wins.
No.
Oh god, my line broke.
Like in a whole
Did it? It shouldn't have.
No, it didn't.
No, it didn't. Jack, do you want to switch over? Medium. Okay. I found an interstream find. Look. What did you get? This is little.
Oh yeah, I caught that. I put a hook on that.
What do you have on you? A lipless crankbait. I'm totally not using it to catch a fish.
Guys, by the way, we literally probably just got out of school like
20
35 minutes ago maybe.
Yeah.
And
And
we haven't done our homework yet.
We post every week.
So we might
Except
have
for
to,
this, like,
we
one
might have
time
to end
where
the
we
part 2 in a couple of minutes. I don't know.
No, we completely forgot to post for like a month. So we did like 3 videos after that. Cause yeah. So sorry about that. If you were missing out on our videos. And in our
By the
last
way,
fishing-
make sure to subscribe, hit that like button.
and we can do that at the end. In
Whatever.
fishing video part 2, we said our giveaway winner was
Jack,
Yeet King. So
Yeah.
congratulations.
You mean part 1?
Part 1. Sorry.
Jack, I think we should make a completely new video of fishing back. Like whoever catches
Yeah,
the
we'll
most
do that
fish in
after.
30
We'll do
minutes.
that after.
Yeah, we can't do a 30-minute video.
No,
Yeah, we can.
but we can do part 2.
We could do part 3 too.
How about this? Okay.
If you guys want more fishing videos, hit that like button and comment down below that you want one.
Comment
If you want more fishing videos, comment down fishing.
It's actually really fun.
And who do you think's the best fisher? If you think I am,
I
just
think
put
you
an
guys-
S. If you think
Oh,
Jack
God,
is, put a
we're-
J.
We're at 5%.
Alright, and if you think Henry is, put an H. I think Jack, does Jack read comments?
What?
Oh yeah, Jack reads the comments.
I read the comments.
Oh yeah,
Henry's the commenter. Henry reads all the comments. Steven gets people. He's in a younger grade than us. He gets
Yeah.
people in that grade to watch our channel. And I do most of the, almost
So
all
these
of the
guys are
editing and the
5th grade.
posting.
Next year, I probably won't be able to Next year, we're probably not going to do a lot of videos
And not-
because
yeah.
We'll
because they'll be in 6th grade, and I'll only be in 3rd grade. I'm in 2nd grade right now. They're in 5th grade. So I don't know if we'll have a lot of time to be doing those, but maybe on the weekends we probably could do some videos.
But if me and Henry thought of this since we're going into middle school next year, if we hit about 500 subscribers before we go into 6th grade, we will try to post every weekend. We will try.
Post twice a week.
And we'll give more giveaways. So, but that's only if we hit 500? Yeah,
500.
500 subscribers.
And if we hit 5,000 subscribers,
That's
then we will post like every second. No, not every second, but
Because
like,
it takes time to edit.
yeah, we have to. Henry edits a lot.
I'm the editor.
Yeah.
I
Henry's
read
good at
the-
You weren't here when we edit. Henry just reads the comments
I read the comments.
and check who's like subscribed to us. So obviously Yeet Kings is subscribed because they won the giveaway. It's only people that are subscribed that can win giveaways. So if you want to win like an awesome giveaway, then make sure to subscribe.
Yes. Like, if you want to win, like, something big that's worth lots of money,
Like I
make
will,
sure to smash
I'm giving
that
away.
subscribe
I'll
button.
give away a fishing rod. of mine.
Smash it.
And Jack, you have.
But
a
do not
fish.
break your whatever.
I have a bite.
Yeah, you had a bite. So.
I did.
You didn't set the hook.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he did. He did. Your bobber just went down. So I'm now using this little lizard. Of it. So let's see. Jack, you didn't set the hook. Jack, you didn't set the hook. There's no fish on it. Okay, give me your phone.
Alright, I'll go touch it. So, yes, again, Yeet King did win the giveaway. So, congratulations again. I think I really want to do a fishing battle, but I don't know if we can fit that in today because we just did part one.
Henry, you just threw away my bobber.
Yeah, that's.
So, yeah, I don't know. I might be going in a couple of minutes.
Oh, it's your bobber.
I don't got a barber.
No, that's Henry's. We should wrap this up soon.
Yep, so, make sure to subscribe. Hit that like button. Put on post notifications so you'll see every video that we post.
And
Comment down below, who do you think is the best fisher?
we will, as Henry said, we will be giving away a new rod that we're gonna get soon. So if you want that rod, we'll tell you in the next video who won. So do you
Sign
want
it
that
up for
rod?
now.
Signing. We don't say that.
Yeah.
We just say bye.
Oh, by the way, I think Henry might get a nibble.
So
Wait, Henry, hold on.
It's been forever since I've used a spin cast.
Alright, guys.
thanks for watching this video.
yeah,
Subscribe.
Make
like.
sure, if you like these videos, make sure to watch Dude Perfect 2.
No.
No. Only watch this channel.
Yeah. Well, but you can't watch other channels because we can't stop you. So comment, subscribe. If you want that fishing rod, subscribe, and you might get a chance to win.
Please subscribe. We really want subscribers. Because if you subscribe, you'll get great things in life.
If you subscribe, then we might start making some money, and then we can use that
To
to
buy-
get better things in our better videos. So,
And we can use the money to buy. And Jack can use his money.
And mine too.
Yeah, to buy our money to buy stuff for the giveaways that we
okay.
set it up for
Thanks
now.
for watching. Bye.